does he? We're at Uncle's farm today, so we're going to do a farm vlog.
More than that. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day.
Special guest.
Georgie.
Alright, got a lot of work to do, so let's get to it. We're doing some videoing. Do you wanna, we've got a microphone, do you want to be on the microphone?
Oh.
Nah, I reckon it'll be cool. We'll hear some good old school tanga.
Oh, you got to be our stone sorter. Yeah, we need a stone sorter. Got to be in. Important.
We'll have two wheelbarrows. So you two, that's your wheelbarrow.
Okay.
Fill it up.
Yep.
You two, that's your wheelbarrow. And you guys unload it and you guys unload it. There, we got it.
Yep.
They can just take turns with each other. Come and work closer over here where your wheelbarrow is. Kick Uncle George out of the way.
Maybe we should put the mic on him. He's the director. I'm only the producer. Oh, what the heck happened to mine? Oh, he took it.
Is that enough? Keep,
There's one over here.
filling it up, or?
You're in charge of the unload and I'll be in charge of the load. Okay.
I mainly grew up in the Whangarei area.
Oh, whangare.
I did live out in Pippa.
Who don't know from whangare? Oh, Mark Blucher. Do you know any of the Bluchers from whangare? We used to go to school together too. Who else? Taki Mona, so he's got to do Taki Mona from up north. Probably all your mums are.
Yeah. Mum will know, for sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
You want this one?
Oh, no. This one is good because I don't have to swing it so hard. It's heavy.
But I'm just giving you a rundown of the mahi that we've been doing. So back behind me over there, we've been using the pickaxes to clear up the dirt, dig up the dirt, chuck it in the shovel, and then two of us will come down here to where Uncle George, to where Uncle George is. And yeah, tino weather. But anyways,
You're going to show what he's been up to.
yeah. What have you been up to, Uncle?
Oh, hard work. Hard mahi over here. Digging, and more digging. And stones, picking the stones up.
That's the one. Alright, so come down here. This is Uncle Hiram's farm. Very beautiful. And as you come down here, you'll see some different patches that he's working on. And here's Uncle Hiram over here.
Thank you for all your hard work, boys. Very thankful. Just filling up these garden beds so we can plant things like silver beet and bok choy, see bok choy there, and vegetables. They sunk because of rain, makes it all sink down.
Alright, whānau, that's us.
Gonna do some lifting, heavy lifting competition.
Okay.
Just
One here, one there, and one over there. I'll supervise.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, up and over. Oh, there's someone. Alright, and again. So we just lift, bring it up, push.
We'll leave it on there. Yeah, no. Help him, you guys.
Oh, we-
Stand there looking.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, see? That's what was holding it in.
Alright.
Everybody
Drop it,
taking
so
a
the
movie
thing
of this so you can show all your
on,
girlfriend how tough you are.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, up. And 3, 2, 1, push. Is it on? Is the camera on? I just want to say shout out Crasbourne's Pack House for making me a stacker. Even though I was the youngest fella there and there was grown ass dudes, I was the tallest. So they taught me how to lift. Yeah. Good times. Taller than the knees, my boy. Bend those knees. Ngā tito rangatira. Ki, 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 ko, ko, ko. Sorry, we kind of just watched you do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Te kaha. Te kaha o te aha. O te waha. 1, 2, 3. Show him his daddy boy. Show him his boss.
What's that?
Sing us a song.
Tūtiro mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e. Tūtiro mai ngā iwi, tātou tātou e.
Brother Mite's farm here in Kapaka, and he's going to give us a tour and tell us what all these plants and stuff are all about. I'm his offsider. He tells me what to do, and I try and listen.
So over here we have ginger plants, which I planted for the cemetery. All these red ginger. There's pink ginger over there. There's a different kind of red ginger. Over there's helicornia. And these are red tea leaves. And this is one of our 3 breadfruit trees. We love breadfruit. Look, this one here is almost ready. On this side, dragon fruit. This is my 2nd year growing it. As you can see, there's dragon fruit everywhere. We've had about 36 we've harvested already. Probably another 30 or 40 left, yeah? This is a Raposa mango tree. It grows good on this side of the island. You know, mangoes love hot weather. And we're on the windward side, so it tends to be a bit more wet and a bit more rainy. But this variety is really good. And that's our avocado tree. I grew it from seed. Growing from seed can take years, 7 to 15 years to fruit. We just trimmed the top. Hopefully it fruits next year. We got that for the triplets. So when they come, they can feed the fish. This is my little Feijoa tree. I ordered it from the mainland. It came, it was like so high. But that's how big it is now. This is a Suriname cherry. And these here are lilikoi or passion fruit trees. A plant, yeah? Here's one here, but not ripe yet. See the fruit? And these are heliconia plants right here. See how big they are? Beautiful. And here there's this pineapple. When we buy a pineapple, we just cut the top off, stick it in the pot and it grows, yeah? All the banana trees, bananas everywhere. This is asparagus growing in these cans. And growing right alongside them is ginger root. The ginger root, see them down there? Taro, what's left of it. We'll harvest the rest of it. And I've got a lemon tree here, and that's an orange tree right there, and another mango tree over there growing. But bananas everywhere. And these here are tapioca, which we need to harvest.
Can you eat the skin? No.
You can, look, you can. But
Spoil it.
Let me
Make
know
it
what
into a
tastes like.
Okay,
What you use?
let's go 7-Eleven.
Yes, sir.
Oh,